Coming back with another episode of VFD and or Nixie Talk. Got another project here, and it's not really Nixie or VFD related. It's one of them little DIY tube amps, them preamps. So this is a kit for that, and I got all kinds of little extra bits because I knew I was going to build this thing to a certain degree, and I got all kinds of stuff. So for this project, it requires a special wall wart, and I do remember that. And this uses alternating current AC 12 volts, not DC, AC. So I had to do a lot of digging to find an AC wall wart for 12 volts. So that's what this sucker runs on. And then I was going to configure this because normally this is built with RCA jacks. But I didn't want to do that kind. I wanted to make it 3.5 millimeter connectors. So I'm going to be soldering wires in place of the RCA connector spots on this thing, so I can use my 3.5 millimeter. You know, one side will be male and the other side will be female, to take the place of RCA connectors, because I don't want to be using RCA connectors and then dumb them down to 3.5 millimeter stuff like that. Just not it won't fit my criteria of what I wanted to do. So these are a vacuum tube preamp, so it uses these little guys, these cute little things. I don't know if these guys light up or not. Most of them do. So we got these cute little tubes. So it does fit the criteria of Nixie and VFD because it's in a tube. So these are the these are probably the little Chinese little vacuum tubes. I don't remember. I think they're CJ1s or CJ3s or something like that. It's a common little vacuum tube preamp that kit that you can build. And it's got all the of course, it has no instructions on it, so all the silk screen has all the criteria on it, on values of capacitors and resistors and transistors, if there's some on there. Yes, there is. So one of them little, and it's got LED, so I don't think the tube lights up, the little LED lights up. I think they're orange. If I can find the LEDs in there. Yeah, there's one right there. Let's see what color that is. I think they're orange, or there could be white. I don't remember. Oh, they're blue. Ew. Ew. No. Absolutely not. If I would put LEDs in there, I would put orange ones in there or something like that. So, bunch of course, that's nice about this kit is that all the resistors are marked with the little, when they cut them, cut the tape, they put the value of the resistors on, so you don't have to measure or guess or screw it up and stuff like that. So that'll be another little build I have to build, and I got one more kit to show, but that's not going to be in this particular video. So I got all the RCA, 3.5 millimeter male and female. Actually, all female. Plug in. So that's it for this particular video. Putting everything back in the bag. We're going to bag this video for now until I do the build. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.